As a service provider, it's very important for you to be able to track your sales, your daily sales. Now, whether you own a salon, whether you run a laundry store, or any service related business, Lumi Business is the perfect solution for you, and I'm going to tell you why. Now, once you sign into the account, you can see all of these tutorial videos which you can watch later to learn how to set up your store. But to get started, the first thing you would need to do is to create your store. So to do that, simply navigate to the sidebar, click on inventory, you click on store, and you click add new store. You enter your store name, the address, and select your store category. You can also enter the VAT if you're going to be charging your customers VAT. So you want to activate bills, especially for people in the service industry where a customer pays after a service has been rendered. So once you activate bills, it allows the cashier generates a bill that would be presented to the customer at the point of payment. And you can also activate this custom pricing feature if your prices tend to change from time to time. Otherwise, you can leave this off. And once you're done, you click on create store. You can create as many stores as your subscription package can contain. You can get more on our pricing later. So to get started, you click on add new product and you click on create single product. Now we are going to provide additional training once you're ready to get started for you and your staff, and we will also provide onboarding support at additional cost. That's to get you started and upload all of your products. Now for a service industry, instead of products, what you would click here is service. So you can enter any service like washing, so hair wash or long braids, or if you own like a laundry store, you can just select items like let's say washing of jeans, and you can create a new category as washing. Select the store it's going to be available at, and you can then proceed to create service. The cost price can be an addition of let's say whatever it is that is required in providing that service, and then you also want to be able to add get a profit on that service as well. So this is your profit at the end of the day, and then you can click on create service. Okay, so to sell, I'm going to click on salon. So you add this to cart, and then you check out the item. So you confirm that the person is paying cash, card, or transfer. Let me say the person is paying via card. You click on confirm, and then you can link this to the customer's account, so you can check for, you can always go back to, it helps you know your top paying customers. Customers, you're going to show your top 10 customers you should really hold dear to your heart, because they bring the sales that your business needs. And you can add any additional notes if you want. Once you click on Okay, sorry, the phone number is not correct. So once you click on next, you're able to generate a receipt and give the customer a receipt. And you can generate end of day, that's track your sales at the end of the day by navigating back to the sidebar inventory. You click on sales transactions and you can then export end of day. So this is the sale I just made now, 15,000 naira, and you can select the store. I'll select Princess as the cashier, select today's date, and once you generate end of day, you can see everything that's happened in that account. Now there are two ways to manage sales at checkout. We've had some salon owners tell us that they want to be able to track, because they pay their staff a commission, so they want to be able to track what each staff has earned. Now instead of checking out an item with the customer's actual name, what you can do is just check out that item with the name of the salesperson. So let's say Anita, for example, is the braider. You enter the phone number and the email address. Okay, and you click on add customer. So this is not actually a customer, this is your staff, but you want to be able to track how much sales Anita has brought to the company at the end of the day. So once you click on submit, that transaction now would be stored under Anita. So if I go now to where you have customers, so you just click on customers and you click on Anita. So if you click on Anita, you can see how much she has brought to the company, and then you can decide to give her a commission. This is just because we have done only one transaction. By the time we carry out more transactions, this is going to increase, and then you can pay out Anita's commission based on how much customers have, how much transactions she's brought to the business. Here you can also create your expenses, so you track everything that you're spending money on, whether it's fueling, transportation, feeding. You're going to see this chart that just gives you a breakdown of how much has been spent running the business, and it's very, very good for you to be, it helps you track your expenses and cut down on what needs to be cut down on, so you can have a very profitable business. We also have reports that allows you see a basic profit and loss of your accounts. So once you open this now, you can filter for whatever date you want. You can see how much you've made as a business, and yeah, so if you're running at a loss or if you have profit. So here I have my gross profit at 1,700 naira, which is not good enough. So it means I need to do more to improve my sales performance, and you can do that through so many means. And so you can track everything that has happened on your account using stock history, and you can also use credit logs to manage your customers that have purchased on credit from you. So you just update this item and you can confirm how the person is paying. Once you click on update payment, you see that transaction it's 0, and then you can do the same for any other outstanding payments. So like I mentioned earlier, we can also organize a one-on-one training session with you to take you through the platform, and also answer any additional questions you may have. Please reach out to any of our sales representatives to learn more. Or you can also send us an email at sales@lumibusiness.io. Thank you.